Welcome to Garage Cars. Today, we're diving into the legendary 2025 Mercedes-Benz G550, a luxurious powerhouse that combines rugged off-road capability with unmatched refinement. With its iconic design, advanced technology, and impressive performance, the G550 isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle. Let's take a closer look at what makes this SUV an undeniable standout in its class. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz G550 is the perfect marriage of iconic design, uncompromising luxury, and rugged performance. This SUV isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement, built for those who demand capability without sacrificing comfort or style. Whether you're conquering mountain trails or cruising through the city, the G550 is engineered to perform. At its heart lies a 3.0-liter inline-six turbocharged engine paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system. This setup produces an impressive 443 horsepower and 413 pound-feet of torque, delivering power seamlessly through a 9-speed automatic transmission. With permanent all-wheel drive and 3 locking differentials, the G550 is ready to tackle even the toughest terrains, making off-road adventures feel effortless. And on the pavement, its smooth handling and quick acceleration prove that luxury and performance can go hand in hand. The exterior of the G550 is unmistakable, staying true to its heritage with a boxy silhouette that exudes confidence. Modern enhancements like LED lighting, a bold grille, and aerodynamic tweaks give it a fresh yet timeless appeal. Every detail, from its robust wheel arches to its high ground clearance, reflects its capability and style. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin designed to impress. High-quality materials like fine leather and wood trims create an atmosphere of luxury, while advanced technology ensures convenience. The digital cockpit includes a dual-screen setup for infotainment and driver information, seamlessly integrating connectivity features. Heated and ventilated seats, customizable ambient lighting, and a Burmester surround sound system enhance every journey. It's a space that feels just as comfortable navigating rugged landscapes as it does pulling up to a red carpet event. While the G550's power and presence take center stage, it doesn't compromise on efficiency. Thanks to the mild hybrid system, it offers better fuel economy than ever before, with an estimated 17 mpg in the city and 19 mpg on the highway. It's a thoughtful touch that complements its modern capabilities. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz G550 isn't just an SUV, it's an icon reimagined for the modern world. Rugged, refined, and ready for anything, it's built for those who believe the journey is just as important as the destination. Thanks for watching Garage Cars. If you enjoyed this review of the 2025 Mercedes-Benz G550, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting automotive content. Stay tuned for more updates, and we'll see you in the next video.